Hey y'all, it's Derry and I'm back again with another video. So today this is gonna be a recap of my second trip to Miami, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
The sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, post a placard, flight information sign.
Hey guys, I made it to Miami, so right now I am on the way to the restaurant to go see my cousins. But actually, I'm not on the way. I lied. I'm waiting on my Uber right now, so we're gonna see how that goes. And yeah, I'll check back in with y'all. Hi guys, I made it. Tell YouTube, hey y'all.
Hey YouTube.
It's gonna be a great time, guys.
It really is. Let me get the
Yes. A.
Y'all, I'm so weak at the boot. Y'all, Joy has her CEO.
The next day.
Y'all, cause why Mr. Jersey Shore was coming to tell us to take our seats? Like, please, sir.
Okay. Shoe basket. That shoes in the shoe basket.
We're on the yacht, y'all.
Excuse me.
So guys, I'm about to kind of like drive a jet ski. When I tell y'all, I almost flipped that thing twice. I just knew it was over.
You got your problems, baby, and I got